Good morning, students. We will continue from the previous part. In previous one, we have discussed how the formation of Duma had taken place and how Tsar was not in the mood of supporting the laborers and the workers in giving more liberties and better wages. So in today's one, we will be discussing the First World War and the revolutions. So let's begin. The First World War. The First World War broke out between two European alliances in 1914. They were Germany, Austria and Turkey, called as Central Powers, and France, Britain and Russia. Later on, Italy and Romania also joined the group. The Tsar, supported initially by Russian people, so Russia entered into war without consulting Duma. But slowly, in Russia, anti-German sentiments started arising against the Tsarina. St. Petersburg. This name is originated from German, so it was named as Petrograd. Tsarina Alexandra had German links, so Alexandra was influenced by Christian monks called Rasputin. All these factors made the autocracy very unpopular in Russia. Results of First World War. Russian armies lost war against Germany and Austria. Around 7 million deaths were there on Russian side and 3 million refugees in Russia. It tarnished the popularity of Tsar in Russia. Because of the war, it had a very severe impact on industry. The Germans controlled the Baltic Sea, and now Russia was cut off from suppliers of industrial goods. Railway lines also began to break down 1916. Food crisis. Large supplies of grains were sent to feed the army, so there was a shortage of essential commodities for people in cities. It led to the disturbance in food supply. Bread and flour became scarce in the cities, so people revolted as a result. Now, the February Revolution. In February 1916, the revolution broke out in different parts of the country because of the scarcity of bread and food, and that beginning of the revolution led to the laborers and workers coming on the main roads and demanding better rights and better wages. During that time only, on the other side of the river, the Tsar and the rich section of the society were living very peacefully and happily. During that time only, Lenin's socialism also started getting popularity. Now, economic division of Russia. Layout of Petrograd emphasized economic division amongst its people. The right bank of the river Neva had workers' quarters and factories, while the left bank had the Duma and Winter Palace. Strikes in factories. The workers' quarters faced food shortage, so there was a strike by workers on 22nd February. Women carried out the strikes in many factories, and this came to be called as International Women's Day. Demonstration outside the Duma. Duma was suspended on Sunday 25th February 1917. The police headquarters were ransacked on 27th February. People raised slogans about bread, wages, better hours and democracy. The government tried to crush these demonstrators. Till here. In next one, we will be seeing Lenin's Russia, how Lenin returned back to Russia, how Bolshevik Party, revolution and new changes were brought in Russia after October Revolution. So see you